Hello my viewers, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hi, I am Shilpa. So first of all, thank you so much to all of you who subscribe my channel. Because of you, my channel is now completed 1000 subscribers. Yay! I know it's not a big deal, but for me, each and everyone who subscribe my channel, who watch my tutorials, or share my video, like my video, commented on my video, those are so special. So yeah, thank you again. So back on today's video. So today I'm going to show you how you can do halo eyes. So halo eyes is so much popular and so much in, but I don't make any tutorial in this particular topic, so that's why I thought let's just make a tutorial for my viewers. So now I'm stop talking and let's just start the video. So at first I take my Faces Ultime Pro eyebrow pencil, and at first I sketch out my eyebrows and then little bit combing it up, and then I take my WOW eyebrow palette and taking that dark chocolate shade I fill the gaps on my eyebrows with that brush. Then I take my Wet n Wild concealer, and with that concealer I clean the edges of my eyebrows. You can see that it is exactly my skin tone shade. So and then after that I take that flat brush to blend the concealer properly. Now I'm taking my Miss Clear mascara, and I use this as an eyebrow gel to set my eyebrows. Then I take my NYX white eyeshadow primer. So whenever you put white eyeshadow primer, your eyeshadow will look much more vibrant and it will look much more pop up. So yeah. So I stick some sellotape outer corner of my eyes to get a perfect ending line of my eyeshadow. To set my eyeshadow primer, I use my Crayola Derma Color Fixing Powder. Now today I am taking my NYX eyeshadow palette and taking this to shade with a fluffy brush. I apply this on my crease line until I get my desired amount of color. Then I take this purple shade with this pencil brush and I apply this exactly on my crease line. Then I take that vibrant purple shade and place this color underneath those two previous shades. So in halo eyes you have to put same amount of color to the outer corner of your eyes and the inner corner of your eyes. So you have to put all those color properly and exactly same amount both side of your eyes. So then I take that dark purple shade with this much more precise pencil brush and apply this the same way the inner corner of my eyes and the outer corner of my eyes. Now I'm taking my Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and taking that purple shade from that palette. I want to darken up the purple shade much more, so that's why I take the purple shade from this palette. Then I take my same concealer to cut the crease from the middle of my eyes. So in halo eyes you have to cut your crease from the center of your eyes, and then I blend the concealer with my finger, and to set the concealer I again apply my Derma Color Fixing Powder. Then I take that purple because I think that when I apply concealer it just fade away. So the same colors I again apply, but this time I apply this in the reverse way. And with that very small fluffy brush, I take that shade and blend this on the very center of my eyes. And then I take my glitter. This is from Nicka, and this is a very nice pretty glitter, and I place this glitter exactly on the center of my eyes to get that perfect halo eye effect. And blend the eyeshadow, and then taking that shade Twilight, I just apply this exactly on the side of that glitter. And now I remove the sellotape. You can see the precise ending line. Now I take my sugar eyeliner, and today I'm creating a very nice long thick eyeliner. Now I'm taking my Maybelline mascara and apply some coat. Then I take the cleansing wipe and clean up the fallout underneath my eyes. Then I take my NYX pore filler and I apply that pore filler exactly where I have little bit pores, like around the side of my nose. Then I take my MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC30 and I dotted this all over my face and blend this with my beauty blender. Blend your foundation properly. So now again I take my Wet n Wild concealer and apply this first underneath my eyes and around my mouth where I have little bit darkness, so I apply this. And then I take my Maybelline AG1 concealer to highlight my face. Like first concealer was like to conceal and second concealer was for highlighting. So then I blend my concealer properly. Then I take my Maybelline translucent powder in the shade 15 light and I set my concealer with that powder. And rest of my face I apply MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC35. Then I take my Sugar Contour / Bronzer. It is basically a contouring shade for me. So I contour my face and then I contour my nose. Now I'm taking my Miss Claire blusher palette and mixing all these three shades, I apply my blusher. I think mixing those three shades will achieve the color what I want. And I have lots of powder on my face, so to melt down the powder I apply MAC Fix Blur. For highlighter I'm using MAC Soft and Gentle. Now I complete my eye makeup. So taking that purple shade on a pencil brush, I apply this at first on the lower lash line. Then I take this shade and with that small fluffy brush I blend the eyeshadow. Then taking this dark purple shade on a very precise brush, I just apply this very close to my lash line. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild nude kajal and apply this on the waterline so that my eyes will look much more open up. Dun-dun-na. I add some false lashes. So now I'm taking my Sugar lip color in the shade Vibrant Violet. It is a very nice dark raspberry purple shade.
नंबर मेरा बाद में मैसेज मुझको कर देना खुद को समझ के लकी मुझसे हुकअप तू कर लेना
all enjoy this tutorial. If you, then please give it a thumbs up, comment and share, and take a moment to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload video you get a notification, because I upload my video very randomly. So yeah, make sure you hit the bell icon. So yeah, that's all for today. See you soon on my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Lots of love from my side. Bye bye.